Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Playwright tutorials for absolute beginner. Today we are going to start with installation. This is part 2. In the first episode, I gave you an introduction of what Playwright framework is. Let's get started with the installation. Before we kickstart our hands-on coding, thank you so much for always supporting me and my channel. Make sure that you get your full stack interview series book at arctutorials.gumroad.com. This is part 2 of the series. Today we are doing installation. Nothing crazy, just running few commands to make sure that we have the Playwright framework installed. Make sure that you have Node.js installed, version 14 and above. Alright, that being said, let's jump right into coding. Alright, so I have my project folder here. I'm going to create a new one, call it Playwright. And what we are going to do is right click, open an integrated terminal. You can use command line, CMD or terminal in any device. Alright, so first thing you'll do is check for node version, type node space -v and you should see the version of the node that's running in your machine. Once this is done, once you see that it is above 14, next thing you have to do is run a simple command to install it. Okay, all you have to do is npm install. You're telling I want to install Playwright @latest. What this means is that install Playwright and latest means get the latest version. Hit enter. Once you have it, it will take a couple of seconds. In the meanwhile, please do hit that like button for me. So it says added 2 packages, expand the folder. You will see package.json with Playwright installed. We are running on 1.54.2 version of Playwright. Right now, to run the particular tests, right now we don't have any in this particular folder. We just did a brand new installation. But to run it, you will run the command Playwright test. And it's saying no tests found, which is what we want because we don't have any tests. Alright, so this is clear. So far it's clear. We have done installation. We know how to run Playwright tests. That's what we will do in today's episode. In the next episode, we'll write a small snippet to get you started. Mostly hello world, because that's how you start learning any new framework or programming language. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. Please do like, share and comment on these videos if you like them. Thank you.